Today we will learn about HTML list. So using list you can group a set of related items like computer languages here using several options available in the HTML list here. Like here you can see bullets, circles, here you have a numbers also. In the sub list you have alphabets. While here you can see description list in which you have some terms and its description here. So today we will learn how to make such kind of unordered list or ordered list or description list. So here in the basic structure we will write the unordered list using UL tag. So UL tag indicating the unordered list here. So within UL tag we will write list item using LI tag. So we will write first Python here and then we will save the page and refresh the page. So you are getting one item which is marked with bullet here. So we will add few more item here, that is within the li tag, that is Java language. Then we will take HTML here. Then we will take the one more computer language, that is CSS here. Then we will refresh the page. So here you can see the beautiful list in which you have all computer languages which is marked with bullet symbol here. Now suppose if we want to build the nested list, we will take one UL tag within the Java item. So here we will take the UL tag in which we will take another sub item, that is AWT here. We will take one more, that is sublet here. Then we will take one more, that is JSP here, and we will refresh the page. So here you can see nested list, and using nested list you can build the list within the list. Now there is several types in the list. So here in the UL tag you can set certain type here, that is by default it is disk type, that is a black circle here, but instead of default disk we will take circle here and refresh the page. So you are getting the circle symbols here like this one. Now suppose instead of circle, if you want to mark your list with the square here, so you can write simply square and refresh the page. You are getting square here. And if you don't want to mark your items with anything, then you are writing type is equal to none. So you are not getting anything here. So we will refresh the page and you can see you have a plain list here without any mark. So this is what the unordered list. Now here we will take one HR tag and then here you are taking the ordered list. So you can give the numbers to the items and sub items. So here I am copying the same items from the unordered list here, and instead of unordered list I am making it as a ordered list here. Now we'll refresh the page and you can see here you have a ordered list here. So you are getting number here, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4, and within the Java item, there are sub items, that is AWT, Servlet and JSP with the numbers here. In the numbers also you have a different types that you can give with the ordered list, that is type is equal to, if you are writing A here, then you are getting A, B, C, D, etc. in the list. If you are writing simply 1, it's give the default type of the list using number here, and if you are giving the A in the lower case, you are getting alphabets here in a lower case. If you want to write your number in the uppercase Roman number, then you can write the capital I here, and you can see here uppercase Roman numbers. Similarly, for the lowercase Roman number, you can simply write the small I here. So you can see here lowercase Roman number here. Suppose if you want to start your numbering from any numbers, say 5 here, so you can write the start along with the type here. So here if you are writing start is equal to 5 and refresh the page, your numbering is start from the 5. In the case of alphabet, it will take the alphabet according to that number here. So if I am writing type is equal to say A here and start is equal to 5 here and refresh the page, it will start from the E here because E is the fifth letter in the alphabet here. So this is what all about the ordered list. Now we will take one more HR tag, and I am taking one more list using DL tag, that is description list here, and within the description list I am taking the description term using DT tag, in which I am writing term Java here, and for the description I am using DD tag, and here I am writing Java is language of internet, and we will refresh the page. Here you can see the term and its descriptions in special format here. We will take one more. So we will just copy this and paste it over here. And here we will write the descriptions for the HTML. So we will write term as a HTML, and for the HTML we will write HTML is markup language. So this is what the descriptions of the term HTML. So refresh the page and you are getting the description list here. So using HTML list, you can create unordered list, ordered list with several types of numbering here, and description list. So I hope you understand this concept. Thank you very much. If you like this video, press like and subscribe the channel and share the video. And don't forget to press the bell icon for my new video notifications. Thanks for watching.